If you own a Galaxy Watch 9 or Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, you probably already use it for calls, notifications, fitness tracking, and music. But what if you could actually use Telegram directly from your wrist? Well, you can. Telegram has a dedicated Wear OS app, and on Samsung's latest watches, it lets you read messages, reply to chats, view photos, and even use Telegram without your phone nearby. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to install Telegram, connect your account, and what you can actually do with it. Let's start. First, make sure your Galaxy Watch is connected to your smartphone. Install the new version of Telegram on your paired smartphone and log into it. Once that's ready, grab your Galaxy Watch. Open the Google Play Store. Now tap the search button and search for Telegram. You can type it using the keyboard or simply use voice input, which is much faster. You should see the official Telegram app. Tap install and wait for the app to download. Once the installation is complete, open Telegram. And this is where you need to connect your existing Telegram account. Telegram will show you instructions for linking the account. Depending on the setup, you may get a QR code that you can scan using your phone. But there's another option that I found pretty useful. Telegram can also show you a set of emojis on the watch. You simply check those emojis and confirm that they match on your phone. Once you confirm them, Telegram links the watch to your account and starts syncing your chats. And that's it. You now have Telegram directly on your Galaxy Watch. So what can you actually do with it? Let's start with your chats. Open Telegram and you'll see your recent conversations. You can scroll through the list using the touch screen. Tap any conversation and you'll be able to read your messages directly on the watch. This is especially useful when you're outside, working out, traveling, or simply don't want to take your phone out every few minutes. But the best part is that you can also reply. Telegram gives you several ways to respond. You have an on-screen keyboard if you want to type manually. You can use voice typing, which is probably the fastest option for longer replies. You can also use handwriting input. And if you don't want to type anything, you have emojis, stickers, and Samsung's quick replies. You can also receive Telegram notifications directly on your watch. So if someone sends you a message, you don't necessarily have to reach for your phone. Just look at your watch, open the notification, and read the conversation. And Telegram isn't limited to one-to-one chats. You can also see messages from your Telegram groups and channels. So if you're following a news channel, community, or group, you can check the latest messages right from your wrist. The watch can even display photos that people send you. Obviously, the screen is much smaller than your phone, so I wouldn't use it for browsing huge conversations or looking through lots of media. But for quickly checking a photo or reading a message, it works surprisingly well. And there's another important feature here. Telegram doesn't always need your phone nearby. If your Galaxy Watch 9 is connected to Wi-Fi or you're using an LTE model with an active connection, you can continue using Telegram even when your smartphone isn't next to you. This is where having Telegram on a smartwatch becomes much more useful. Imagine you're out for a run and don't want to carry your phone. Or you're traveling and your phone is inside your bag. As long as your watch has an internet connection, you can still access Telegram, read messages, and send replies. Of course, there are some limitations. The Galaxy Watch screen is small, so typing long messages isn't exactly the best experience. And if you're scrolling through a busy group with hundreds of messages, your phone is still going to be much better. But that's not really the point. Telegram on the Galaxy Watch is designed for quick interactions. Check a message, send a short reply, look at a notification, check a photo, and get back to what you were doing. So if you have a Galaxy Watch 9 or Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, installing Telegram is definitely worth trying. The setup only takes a few minutes, and once your account is connected, you can handle a surprising amount of Telegram activity without touching your phone. And that's especially useful if you have the LTE version of the watch, because your Telegram conversations can stay with you even when your phone is nowhere nearby. So if you use Telegram every day, this is one of those apps that makes your Galaxy Watch feel a lot more useful. And once you start replying to messages from your wrist, you might find yourself reaching for your phone a lot less. Thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like the content in this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.